Hello and welcome to my video. I was gonna say like, yay, 143 subs, but we got 142 now. It's so emotional. Nice, not really, but thank you to everyone who is subscribed. I appreciate everyone who does subscribe and does watch my videos when I upload them. It's pretty cool to think that someone's watching my videos. But yeah, anyways, so today we're going to customize the Abarth Spider and the Mazda MX-5. I think the Mazda's 2016 and this is a 2017. But yeah, they're in like a custom anodized blue color that I put them both in before I started recording. And we're just going to go through different customizations, see what looks best, in my opinion. I don't know about these front bumpers for this car, they all look like they've got a gum shield on there. But yeah, so I chose that one, which is pretty decent. So yeah, I wide bodied them as well because the roofs changed to the body color with like a hard top over the fabric, so thought they look pretty cool. I will drive both these cars and we can compare noises. So yeah, should be a pretty decent video. If you don't like customization, I might put a timestamp in the comments so you can just skip to the sounds. But yeah, that's all for now. I'm just gonna be quiet, sit here. I don't understand those bumpers with the matte bit, they look a bit weird. But yeah, so this is the Mazda MX-5. Wish there was more colours for the interior, or you could actually choose a colour, like you customize it, so you could have like purple or bright green if you wanted. That'd be pretty cool to have any choice of stitching. That'd be pretty decent. So this tree just decides to get in my way. This tree wasn't here before, he's just arrived, so whatever, bro. You don't ruin my video again, dude. Trying to make me look stupid and stuff, walking into trees. But yeah, this is the Abarth. I kind of wish you could get rid of this matte black stuff. Kind of looks weird. Sometimes it looks cool though. Some cars can look pretty cool with like a matte black bonnet, or but yeah, when it's like, there was a car in Forza Horizon, the Ford Capri, and it has a matte black trunk boot thing, because we call it a boot in the UK, and calls it a trunk in Americas and places like that. But yeah, so we're going for the wide body again. Just gonna see what some. But yeah, the spoilers look cool. I don't understand the honeycombness of that exhaust. I kind of get weirded out by honeycomb looking things like that sometimes. It just kind of grosses me out. But yeah, so we're gonna put the turbo ski sticking out the bonnet because why not? I noticed, I don't know if these have always been here or it's since they did it to that Mitsubishi Lancer for the Summit. But yeah, the time for talking is coming to the end. Coming to an end. I hope you appreciate my voice. I don't know if you appreciate my voice, you don't have to. But yeah, that's all really. I hope you enjoy looking at different customizations. I kind of like customization. I'm thinking about doing import tuner or juiced hot import nights at some point. I've got a video in ride that I'm kind of doing at the moment. But yeah, that's all really. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, and thank you for liking. We're gonna drive the Mazda MX-5 first and then the Abarth after. So I hope you enjoy the sounds that come from this car. That's all for now. Take care, my friend. So that was the MX-5. Now we're going to try out the Spider. I'm sorry, not sorry about the road rage incident. Sometimes the AI in this game though is just ridiculous, like I'm always getting rammed out if I'm doing big land, but anyway. So, thank you for watching if you've watched this far. I really do appreciate anyone who does subscribe. Like, there's not much I can really do or to show it apart from just say it and then you can believe me or not, but I do find it really cool that people watch my videos, and I'm pretty much a nobody. But I'm gonna try and upload a bit more, but it's just my life at the moment. I don't know what it is. It's a mixture of not having energy and just being fed up. But I'm gonna try and do some more videos. I've got, like I said, a ride video. Just need to edit it. But that is all for now. I hope you have a nice day. Take care and goodbye. Good day to you. Bye for now.